everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a big question. Is digital marketing is still relevant in 2025? I mean, we are all pretty familiar with online ads, social media, campaigns and SEO, right? But what about in a few years? Will we still be talking about clicks, likes and conversion rates, or will there be some new futuristic marketing happening like teleporting ads or AI powered influencers? Okay, maybe not teleporting ads, but let's talk about it. Are we really heading into a future where digital marketing might be old fashioned, or is it just going to evolve? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where digital marketing stands in 2025. Now let's start with the basics. Digital marketing today is pretty much everywhere, whether you realize it or not. When you are scrolling through Instagram or watching YouTube, digital marketing is in your face. Ads, content, sponsored posts, even influencer partnership. It's all part of the gig and it's been this way for years. In 2025, things are going to evolve. But why? Well, let me explain. So, here's the deal. Digital marketing is not a trend, it's a movement. Think about it. Businesses are not going to suddenly stop trying to reach you where you are online. Whether it's your phone, your laptop, or whatever device they invented next, companies are still going to want to target you with ads. Now, the tools and platforms might change. In 2025, we could be seeing more advanced AI-based marketing, where the content you see is hyper-personalized to an almost creepy level. You know, like that moment when you are talking about buying a new pair of shoes and suddenly every ad on your feed is shoes. It's like the internet is stalking you. It's cool because it's know exactly what you want, right? Also, who else is excited for the idea of voices searches becoming the way to shop online? You just speak and boom, ads that perfectly match what you are looking for. Maybe even fewer clicks. Just straight to the point. But wait, let's look a little further into the future. Beyond voice searches and AI, we might see even wilder things. Even heard of virtual reality or augmented reality. By 2025, those might play a huge role in digital marketing. Picture this, you are shopping for a new couch and you can actually see how it fits in your living room through AR on your phone before you buy it. No more second guessing. If that sofa will really match your vibe. And if you are like me, maybe your couch will be one of those super comfy ones that never look as good as the one you saw in the store. But hey, marketing's magic at work. Now let's talk about the big one, social media. In 2025, social platforms will still be a major player. But with constant changes in algorithms, user behavior and of course new platforms popping up all the time, it's going to get even more interesting. We might see the rise of social platforms or even new forms of content we can't even predict right now. Imagine this, TikTok is still a big deal in 2025, but with even more interactive features. What if you could directly shop within your feed or even try on products in real time using AR? It's not a far-fetched. Social commerce is going to be huge. Okay, so digital marketing is definitely not disappearing, but there's something else to keep in mind, data privacy. As we all know, people are becoming more and more concerned about their personal data being used by companies, and governments are tightening regulations. So, in 2025, marketers will have to find creative ways to target you without crossing the line. It's like when you are trying to walk that fine line between being super helpful and kind of stalker. Ish, you know what I mean? But really, privacy is going to be a big conversation in digital marketing. Marketers will need to adapt to these changes to keep earning trust and staying relevant. And here's the thing, no matter how much tech advances, we will always need one thing in digital marketing, creativity. Machines might be able to target, analyze, and optimize ads, but they can't replace the human touch. The quirky, creative ideas that make an ad go viral. That's still something marketers are going to rely on. So in 2025, while the tools and tech are evolving, the need of creative, authentic content is going to remain just as strong. It's like you can have the most amazing futuristic pizza oven, but without the right ingredients and chef's touch, the pizza just won't taste as good. Same goes for digital marketing. So there you have it. Digital marketing is alive and kicking in 2025. It's not going anywhere, but it's definitely going to look different. Expect more personalization, more AI, more interactive content, and more ways to shop and engage online. But at the end of the day, the essence of digital marketing, the creativity, the connection with consumers, and the stories we tell will remain just as important. So don't worry, the marketers of the future are going to keep it fresh and fun. Alright, that's it for today's discussion. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment below. What do you think digital marketing will look like in 2025? Let's chat about it. Catch you in the next video and stay ahead of the curve. Thank you.